Hello, welcome to Click to Cloud. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate about object storage management using CloudsBrain. Object storage helps to store a large amount of unstructured data in a highly scalable distinct unit. CloudsBrain Object Storage provides seamless migration, monitoring, management, and smart bucket creation for various providers like AWS, Azure, Alibaba, Huawei, OTC, IBM, GCP, Ceph. Smart Bucket, CloudsBrain secured storage container that stores and encrypts data. Now, go to the CloudsBrain URL and enter the login credentials. After successful login, go to Storage menu. Click on Object Storage sub-menu. You can see in Object Storage Management, user can create, manage, migrate, and monitor the objects within bucket. Now, click on Create tab. A pop-up appears where user can create Smart Bucket, either for existing Cloud Bucket or create Cloud Bucket. Click on Existing Cloud Bucket. Enter bucket name, select Cloud, select Provider, select Bucket, click on Save button. Now, we'll create Cloud Bucket. Select Create Cloud Bucket, enter bucket name, select Cloud, select Provider name, enter bucket name, click on Save button. Smart Bucket created successfully. Now click on Management tab. It will show the created bucket list. After creating Smart Bucket, then click on Smart Bucket name. It will show the Object tab and Lifecycle tab. In Object, user can upload a file or a folder. Click on File tab, select File to upload, then click on Upload button. The uploaded file will reflect here. User can download or delete the file. Now, we will upload a folder. User can also upload multiple files. Click on Folder tab, select the folder and click on Upload button. User can also download the folder and delete the folder. So, as user can see the uploaded folder on screen. It provides details such as, last modified, standard size, estimated total cost. Now, we will create a folder. Click on Create Folder tab. Give a name to a folder and click on Save button. User can also upload file under the created folder. In same steps as shown above. In Delete tab, user can delete single or multiple object or folder. Select and click on Delete. In Search tab, user can search the uploaded or created object and folder. Here single search and multiple search can be done. Now, click on Lifecycle tab. In Lifecycle, there are two types of Create Lifecycle rule. In Cloud and Cross-Cloud. In Cloud supports only same cloud storage transition, while in Cross-Cloud, it supports different cloud storage transition. For in Cloud, provide rule name. In Standard IA, days after creation is minimum 30 days. In Glacier, the days after creation is 60 days. In Cloud, bucket selection is optional. Click Configure Expiration. Click Clean up unfinished staging uploads. Select Elapsed time. Click on Save button. The created lifecycle shows here. User can also delete the created lifecycle by simply click on Delete tab. In Search tab, user can search rule name of lifecycle. Now, for Cross-Cloud. Select Cross-Cloud, give rule name. Select Storage Class Transition. Select Standard IA. Select Bucket. Once selected bucket, it will show storage cost of bucket. Click Configure Expiration and click on Save button. Lifecycle configured successfully. Now, click on Migration tab. In Storage Migration, you can migrate object from one cloud to another cloud like AWS to Alibaba, and also migration can be performed within a same cloud as AWS to AWS. Click on Create button. Provide plan name. Select Source Smart Bucket. Here I am selecting AWS as Source Smart Bucket. It will show storage cost and region of Source Bucket. Select Destination. Here I am selecting Alibaba Bucket as Destination Smart Bucket. It will show storage cost and region of Destination Smart Bucket. It will show the storage save cost. It shows the egress costing of Source Smart Bucket. User can select recommended bucket as a destination bucket as per the storage costing. Migration can be performed in two ways: immediate migration and schedule migration. User can also schedule migration. For scheduling migration, select date and time for scheduling. User can click on Delete Source Object after migration checkbox for deleting the object from source bucket after migration done. Click on Immediate Migration tab, and click on Migrate button. Migration started successfully. User can also delete the scheduled migration. The dashboard shows a migrate object. For more video updates on CloudsBrain, stay tuned with click2cloud.com. Thank you.